Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Click the subscribe button and help me to make more videos. This week, I'm going to be making vegetable soup. Alright? Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Come make we bubble a pot. Yes, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to catch some water in this pot right here. So first thing I'm going to do is strip the corn. Alright. Corn is looking fresh, just got it from the market. Right, have some worm on it, but that is expected. Right, some tiny worm. Next thing I'm going to do is cut up my pumpkin. Corn and the pumpkin go in the pot first. Peel my sweet potato. I'm going to do now is scrape the carrot. wash the corn and the pumpkin, right, and add these to the pot first. So the pot is bubbling up, right, and the pumpkin and the corn. Cover this halfway and let it boil. So what I'm going to do now is peel the Irish. I'm going to cut up my chocho, right? So if you realize the chocho come in pegs, so I'll cut it this way first. Open it into half, then look for the pegs. Slice them in pegs. It's easier to peel. Subscribe and help me to build more videos. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just cut up all the vegetables, not too small, as you don't want them to boil out. Right, I just cut them up reasonable chunks. Irish, cut it into. What I'm going to do now, wash the vegetables. Right. The pot is bubbling up, right? Corn looking yellow, pumpkin looking yellow. So what I'm going to do now is add the vegetables to the to the boiling water. I'm going to just give this a small stir. Looking colorful, right? So we just cover this half master pot, right, and let it continue to boil. So I have my scallion and thyme, right? Bought it at the market. I'm going to cut this. Nice. Right, so I'm going to use about 3 stalks of scallion for flavoring. So I strip these. Remember to subscribe, help me to make more videos, please. Have my thyme, just cut the ends, put it in there. Have my Scotch bonnet pepper, and I use these whole, those in there. Have some pimento seed. Okay, so pimento seed is a very good spice for flavoring. Alright, so I'm going to wash these. Pot is bubbling and it's bubbling. Right. Look at that. So I have my Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix, home style, not sponsored by Grace. Right, so I'm going to add one of this to the pot. Close it up. Keep the flame on low heat. Subscribe. Help me to grow my channel. Right, so we're going to stir. We're going to add another one. You don't need to add any salt because the soup mix is already salt, so you don't need to add salt to this. So what we're going to do now is stir. Everything is coming together perfect, right? Subscribe, help me to grow my channel. Yes, so I'm going to add my scallion on top, right, for flavoring, along with my thyme. Right, Scotch bonnet pepper on top, and pimento seed. And this is all for flavoring. Don't need any more seasoning than this. Very nice flavoring. So give this a stir. On top. So we're going to cover the pot halfway, leave it on medium flame. the soup is bubbling up, giving troubling up, smelling lovely. Click the subscribe button and help me to grow this channel and build more videos. Alright, I'm just going to stir. So I need some. So I'm going to burst one of the pepper. Alright, so this one is burst, this one is not burst. Corn looking pretty, like Miss Mitty. Let's give it another 5 to 10 minutes and then ready to go. Right. Yes, so soup is ready. Right. Time to share. Don't want to let it get any thicker, because if I allow it to get any thicker, the food will start to mash out, right? And I don't want that. Right, there you go. Sweet potato starting to mash up. Yes, the vegetable soup is finished, right? Click the subscribe button, help me to make more videos, right? So I'm going to test it out and see what is going on, alright? Yeah man, perfect. You know, couldn't have done it better. Wish you was here to review it with me and give me your feedback. So leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of this vegetable soup. Very, very delicious. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Tastes good just like Easter bun. Yummy, yum, 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 yum. Go down in my tummy, tum, tum. Yeah man. So subscribe, help me to make more videos. Alright? Boom! Irish potato. Tastes very soft and nice. You know, the texture of the soup just right. Not too thin, not too thick, just right. Sweet potato, tasting lovely as well. Not tasting any pepper though, even though I burst the pepper, not tasting any pepper. So we're going to burst this one and give it a little sting. Taste the sweet corn and see what's going on. Mm. Corn is a little bit too whole, but it's edible, you know. Yeah man, good stuff. Very delicious. Can't beat this with a long stick.